quick video on how to unhide hidden data within your visualization in Tableau dashboard. For example, if you have hidden some data and you want to unhide it, you come to analysis at the menu and you come to reveal hidden data. And there we have all the hidden data revealed. And for example, if you have hidden this show header, let's click on tick that. And let's come to analysis and say, you can see the review hidden data is not is grayed out, is not showing. It's because it doesn't concern the header. So all you have to come to do is to come to that same field at the top and tick the show header, and there you have the header and the column shown. And for the hidden dimension, most of the dimensions or the hidden fields are not revealed because I know the names. So I will have to come to this arrow by the side and I'm going to say show hidden fields. You can see product name comes out and it's grayed out, and I'll come to the same arrow by the side and I'm going to say unhide. So again, you need to tick this and come to the hidden data. Let me do hide all unused fields. You can see all fields are hidden, are grayed out. So if you want to unhide, you just come here and unhide, but always make sure that you have this ticked.